31,000 feet beneath the ocean surface lies the Hadal Zone. A realm of absolute darkness, freezing temperatures, and total mystery. At this extreme depth, the water pressure is 8 tons per square inch. It would instantly crush a solid steel military submarine like a soda can. To explore this forbidden territory, scientists built a radical new machine. A pressure-resistant robotic drone engineered to endure the planet's most hostile environment. Dropping past the limits of all human divers and sunlight, the machine plunges deeper into the abyss, filming a world never before seen by human eyes. As the robot crosses 20,000 feet, strange life forms emerge. Ghostly, transparent creatures that generate their own haunting neon light to hunt in the dark. On the surface, anxious scientists watch the live data feed. The robot is entering uncharted territory, breaking every deep-sea exploration record in history. Finally, the mechanical rover reaches the absolute bottom. At 31,000 feet, the searchlights illuminate a barren, alien landscape of thick, white silt. But the desert is not dead. The robot's cameras immediately capture impossible life. Bizarre, pale organisms thriving under pressure that should break biological cells apart. The drone discovers a toxic hydrothermal vent. Here, life does not depend on sunlight. Creatures survive entirely on a bizarre diet of boiling volcanic chemicals. Then, the mission takes a terrifying turn. The camera sensors record a massive, unexplained disturbance in the water as a colossal shadow glides past the robot. The surface team panics. On the monitors, a massive cloud of deep-sea sediment bursts upward, proving something enormous just moved right beside the drone. The multi-million-dollar robot shudders violently. An artificial, heavy localized current slams into the machine, threatening to flip it over into the dark mud. The drone's onboard sonar system sends an alert. A solid object, measuring over 50 feet in length, is circling the rover in the pitch blackness. For a split second, the Ultra HD camera catches a glimpse of pale, thick skin and a massive lidless eye before the creature vanishes back into the abyss. Suddenly, disaster strikes. The extreme electromagnetic interference or a sudden physical impact causes the robot's primary power grid to fail completely. Up on the research vessel, the live video feed goes completely black. The data telemetry drops to 0. The robot is officially lost. A heavy, terrifying silence fills the control room. 31,000 feet below, their historic machine is sitting completely blind next to an unknown apex predator. Engineers work frantically to bypass the short circuit. They send a high-voltage emergency reset command down the thick fiber optic tether cable. 5 grueling minutes later, a miracle occurs. The robot's backup lithium battery pack kicks in, booting up basic emergency systems and internal audio sensors. The video camera remains dead, but the microphone is active. The surface team puts on their headphones and hears a terrifying, low-frequency rumbling sound. The audio frequency is incredibly deep. It resembles a metallic, rhythmic grinding sound, mixed with a low-frequency pulse that vibrates through the hull. Sound analysts run the audio through filters. The results are terrifying. The sound profile is vastly larger than any blue whale or known creature. Fearing the immediate destruction of their record-breaking machine, the expedition director issues a final command. Abort the mission and pull the drone up. The massive hydraulic winches on the surface ship roar to life. The heavy cable tenses, violently yanking the blind robot off the seafloor. The robot begins a grueling 6-hour journey back to the surface. But whatever was down there in the dark isn't letting go easily. The cable tension gauges spike into the red zone. Something is pulling back against the winch, dragging the multi-ton cable side to side. The internal sensors record blunt force impacts against the drone's carbon fiber protective shield. The machine is actively being attacked as it ascends. Hours pass in absolute agony. On the surface, a sudden storm rolls in, turning the recovery mission into a logistical nightmare. Finally, the heavily damaged robotic drone breaks through the rough surface waves. The crew scrambles with hooks to pull the machine aboard. Safe on the steel deck, the scientists gather around the machine in absolute silence. They are about to discover the horrifying cost of the dive. The physical damage is shocking. Deep, jagged gashes are sliced directly into the ultra-hard carbon fiber armor, as if torn by massive, razor-sharp claws. Embedded deep within the twisted titanium frame, scientists extract a strange, translucent fragment. It resembles a massive, fossilized tooth from an unknown apex predator. The data team moves quickly. They plug directly into the drone's armored internal hard drive, racing to recover the corrupted footage from the trench. The file extraction takes hours. Bit by bit, the encrypted data blocks are rebuilt, unlocking the final, terrifying moments before the system blacked out. The recovered video plays on the main screens. The footage is heavily distorted by static, but the visual detail leaves the room completely breathless. At 31,000 feet, the camera records a massive, prehistoric jaws opening wide. The creature is completely blind, hunting entirely by electrical signals. Using advanced digital scaling tools, scientists calculate the creature's true size. The monster measures over 65 feet long, completely redefining deep-sea biology. Marine biologists are deeply divided. The creature's bizarre anatomy matches no known living animal, suggesting an ancient prehistoric lineage survived in the trench. The expedition directors immediately classify the full video file. Only small, heavily redacted clips are ever released to the global scientific community. The ship sails away, leaving the deepest place on Earth behind. But the horrifying truth remains: we are not alone in the abyss. Within days of the ship's return, the government officially classifies the data. The raw audio and unedited video files vanish into highly secure archives. Whistleblowers quickly leak fragments of the incident online. The internet erupts with intense speculation about a massive prehistoric creature living in the abyss. Whistleblowers quickly leak fragments of the incident online. The internet erupts with intense speculation about a massive prehistoric creature living in the abyss. Behind closed doors, funding is approved for a second, highly advanced mission. This time, they are building a heavily armored machine designed to fight back. Equipped with advanced military-grade sonar systems and defensive technology, the new drone is built to capture clear, undeniable proof of the monster. The clock is ticking. As tech companies compete to conquer the final frontier, the secret race to capture the Leviathan has officially begun. Humanity has mapped the surface of Mars, yet we remain completely blind to the terrifying realities hiding in our own deep oceans. What else is waiting for us down in the freezing pitch-black darkness? Every new dive proves that our nightmares are entirely real. The deeper we explore, the more we realize that the oceanic frontier belongs to an ancient world we are simply not prepared to face. The camera falls toward it, the crack in the seabed growing wider and deeper with every second, the scale becoming almost impossible to comprehend. Steep rock walls drop away on either side, disappearing further than any light can follow. Creatures cling to the surface, adapted to pressure that would instantly crush a human body. The deep sea holds terrifying secrets. Genuinely love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join the growing Oceanic Frontier community of ocean explorers. And until our very next adventure together, keep exploring the endless mysteries that lie just beyond the horizon.